G'day guys, how the bloody hell are you doing? Now, if you clicked on this video, I suspect that you want to learn how to do a frontside roundhouse cutback. Well, I tell you what guys, you came to the right place. So grab your surf skate, get psyched up, get pumped up, because I'm going to break it down for you. Let's get into it. So what is the difference between a roundhouse cutback and a normal cutback? Well, it's just the addition of the word roundhouse at the start of the word cutback. No, I'm kidding, that was lame. What a roundhouse cutback is essentially is a big backside snap off the top of the lip. It requires a lot more power, a lot more energy, and you just fucking doing a big karate chop off the top of the lip. It looks way cooler than a regular cutback, you know, just sort of rebounding off the whitewash and redirecting into the section, while a roundhouse cutback, you're really driving up into that pocket of the wave, around into that cutback and launching it right off the top to do that big backside snap and redirecting and going along the way. So it requires a lot more oomph, a lot more energy, and it's fucking cool. So let's break it down for you. Yo! Alright, we're setting up our roundhouse with the bottom turn. We're compressing our knees, engaging the rail on the toe side and looking at the section that we want to hit. Once we get to that section, we begin to extend and begin our rotation. We're extending, rotating our heads, shoulders and arms into the direction that we want to turn and opening up that chest and begin to engage the rail on that heel side. That's where we begin our compression and reaching our arms across our body, using that front arm to guide us into the direction that we want to turn. Just engaging and holding that rail on the heel side all the way around on that cutback, and then we begin to extend again to get that release off the top. We're extending our back leg out and rotating our hips, shoulders, arms and head into that direction that we want to turn to get that backhand snap off the lip. When we come down here, we begin to compress and making sure our chest is coming over our front of our knees here and riding out of that turn with control and speed so we can go straight up into the next turn. video on how to do a frontside roundhouse cutback. I hope you enjoyed it. Go out and try it for yourself. Let me know how you go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and stay posted because the next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the roundhouse cutback on your backside, because anything you can do on the forehand, you can pretty much do on the backhand. So, stay posted, happy surf skating, go out and straight, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Yo!